Hello everyone, I am here to show you how to complete the quality improvement checklist survey in Solstice or mwater. Alright, so if we select start a survey, and then we select the QI indicators observation checklist for our prospective country. Let me just go with Uganda for now. So the as you can see, you are able to change the language. It is available in Bangla if you'd like it, for our friends in Bangladesh. So you enter the observer name, the person completing the survey, their position, their affiliation, and then either enter the number directly from the list that was provided, or if you don't know the number, you could also search for it. This is the facility number. You can search for it. Let me give you an example here. So if we go in Uganda, we will look for Rubaya. And then we select it there. And then we click select. That's the other way of doing it. You click next. So date of assessment. Just select from the date here. I'm going to do today's date. The time of the observation begins. You enter this the best you can. You can just use the best, easiest ways. If I just use just straightforward time. So if I say it's 15:20 now, I'll know that means what time it is. But if you want to write 6 p.m., you can do that as well. So facility unit. This is where you select the ward, and if you select other, it'll ask you to type in the facility. So if I say this is emergency ward, or you could select another ward as well. Now for the proportions observed for every observation you see, you would select their position. And again, if you select other, it'll ask you to type it in. So if I select ancillary, and then I select if the person is wearing a mask that covers their mouth and nose. If that is true, I click it. If it is false, I leave it blank. So for example, if I see a midwife, and she is not wearing a mask, she is wearing a mask, I would click it. But if this ancillary person, the cleaner, is not wearing a mask, then I would leave it blank. So click it if it's true, is what we say. And you would keep going. And this would auto-calculate in, and then there's also a space to leave comments. Like I said, don't forget about the microphone button if you want to try the microphone button to leave your comments as well. Unfortunately, it doesn't work while I'm recording. So if I click next, and then again, we do this again for the persons arriving. Again, select the date, enter the time, the facility unit. So if I put inpatient. So for this one, individuals arriving in specified units, so I can select if it's for example, a patient, and select which item applies. So from here, I'm able to select the drop-down is here. So I'm able to select from these three. Let's say they asked the questions, but they did not check the temperature, so I select here. And then the same goes, doctor, let's say no screening was done, etc. Next. Again, this continues. Again, so you select the staff member, and then you select from this list. So which one of these is true? So let's say the person did not comply, I would click here. This one is about, and you see there's some instructions here that you're able to see it. Again, enter the date, enter the time of the observation. So if I click labor and delivery, if you need, and then from here you're able to select what's true. If you click the help button here, it'll show you the cleaning checklist protocols. And you can use these I would review these before you answer this question. So they are within the app here. So if I click it, it closes it. So for this one, we select which ones are true. So if I select a physician, individual staff person observed, and then we select all that are true. So cleaner staff is wearing appropriate PPE. If that is true, select true. Cleaning high touch surfaces, if it's true, and let's see, these are all true. Then if I click ancillary staff, let's say only this one is true. And if I click other, all right. And then next. And this is so you can take a picture of the paper form if you're able to. So if this was originally submitted on paper and you want to include a record of it, you just click from a gallery or using the camera, take the photo and submit. That's it. Thank you.